courtesy car. Somebody got a drone in the air. Got my shit. Oh, god damn. What the fuck is this? What is this? You know what this is?
What is it?
Yeah.
5.0.
What the fuck?
Genesis.
I've never saw this car before.
Broski, what is up, bro?
I'm so confused.
Pretty George. Huh? Relatively, I think this is like.
Wait a minute, that's a Honda?
It's a Hyundai. No, actually, it's not even a Hyundai. It's a Genesis. Yeah, Genesis broke out from Honda. Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck?
They made my car, the Genesis Coupe. They went and decided to turn it into its own line.
Oh, damn.
Yes,
No wonder that shit look hard.
V8.
No wonder it sounds so nice. And then you have voila.
I bet you went to Rapple. I would have charged you less.
I ain't gonna lie, maybe an arm and a leg.
Oh yeah, I guarantee you that was at least $5,000.
At least. Oh look, Tyler's ass still in the car.
Is he really?
Yeah.
Why is he still in the car?
Austin, look out. Move, nigga. Oh, he could have kept going. See, now he about to be
straightened up.
Oh. No. Oh, what is he doing? Is he not backing right? Oh.
Maybe turn on.
Oh, I was like, what the fuck? I thought he was gonna pull in here. It would have been smarter for him to do that. I'm going You know, I gotta come back and get everybody right quick. Gotta get everybody they like, goddamn. All these motherfuckers out here, goddamn. I need to come tap in with a nigga. Goddamn. Got my boy shit right here. Both of them. I did one goddamn. Classic shit. You got the G, you got a Lexus. You got a Pontiac. That motherfucker sound rowdy as fuck. Goddamn. Pontiac. Oh, that's definitely GTO. You got a Camaro.
That's good, man.
What's happening, bro?
Saw you last night.
Most likely. Most likely.
I was hanging out with you guys over there.
Oh,
Gel
yeah.
blasters and shit.
Yeah, okay, yeah, see, I remember. I ain't gonna lie, unless I know your name, it take me a minute to remember faces and shit, since I don't come out here that often anymore. But I'm about to, though.
I only remembered you because of the big ass goatee.
Gotta have that. That's how a lot of people remember me. They were like, I can't, if it's from the back or the side, they just look for this. I'm like, alright.
I'm a Gucci belt.
Hey, guys. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with that. Hey, it worked, goddamn. What day it is? Oh, that's an Audi, goddamn. Just don't hit my car, sir, please. Which one's yours?
I didn't drive.
I feel that. I just went and picked up my home. Man, don't be coming over here with them tow truck vibes, man. We don't need them. I'm about to say, if y'all fuck with YouTube, you know, I got my YouTube shit going, so, you know, come holler at your boy. I would say, I got all my sticker and shit on my car. There's the one with the zip ties on the front of that bitch. You know, that 392. Got that big bitch back in here. You got 12 all the way over there. Hold on, what 12 doing? Yeah, the Camaro. Ooh, please tell me we about to get a chase on camera. I ain't gonna lie, please run. Please run. Oh, he ain't running. He stopped. Damn. I was hoping he ran.
Are you the car that has the lights on the roof?
Nah, I wish.
No, there's a car that has that thing on the back on the
See, nah, I'm about to say, I have the one with the zip ties on the front. The Mustang. The ugly beat up one right now. Man. I ain't gonna lie. I probably shouldn't have the jacket on, but it's got all my shit on it. This shit hot as fuck. Hold on. Let me go back over this way. Goddamn, it worked my way back. Oh, them boys got the drone out. that bitch. Goddamn. Got all this shit on this motherfucker. Right here, goddamn. Goddamn. Just in case y'all didn't understand, gotta get that on camera. Anything to do with car, like every car, only cooler. See, also know every car incredibly good and looking. Goddamn. Ooh, what the fuck is this? Neck breaker for real, goddamn. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Okay, go tap in with him. Mission in tune, got Camaro pulling up. Oh, he was getting gas, it look like. You got another Mustang over there. You got that one. Integra would look fast. Honda, you got a Stinger. Don't fuck with them Stingers, boy. Don't fuck around. Them Stingers to fuck around and get your ass. Stingers that had your ass looking stupid. You got the drop top of clips. Yeah, I don't want Camaro. And you got that one.
Firebird, not a Camaro.
You got you got a couple cars in there. You got a Challenger back over the hood. You got another one. You got a 345 Hemi. I ain't never seen this version before. She hard though. She hard.
Who is that? My buddy just sold his Corvette and he got an Audi.
He gave me the hit. He let me go.
Yeah, Audi 7. He got an Audi 7.
And then he was just
What
like,
about Will? Will?
Catch King. Okay, so this motherfucker do some racing. That's upgraded everybody. Upgrade everything. Oh yeah, this motherfucker do some racing. It be me.
the center wheel hubs, they're going to be the...
I want to. Nah, this ain't the turbo truck. Nah, this actually might be the turbo truck. You might have put a bet on it. Yep, it is definitely the turbo truck. Last but not least, the old school. Got Impala on some rims. Got an old school. Ooh, he on the Rooches too. Yes, he is. Ooh, but he on the Rooches. Ooh, wee. Look at this shit. They be nasty. Shit, oh, that's a TV. Yo, that's a whole goddamn. Damn, they got a big ass. Look at this shit. This shit hard, and it's an SS. Oh, this is a Monte Carlo. Who's up?
I just like my stuff. That's why I kept it.
What's up?
Here.